In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-renew on GoDaddy. If you've decided you no longer want a domain to renew automatically, or you prefer to manage renewals manually, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect so you avoid surprise charges. One quick heads up. When you turn off auto-renew, the domain stays active until the end of its current term. After that, it won't renew unless you do it yourself. So consider setting a reminder. Start by opening your web browser and searching for GoDaddy. In the results, select the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account using your usual login method. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your account name or profile icon and click it to open the account menu. In that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists everything in your account. Find the domain you want to manage. If you have a lot of items, you can scroll or use the search and filters to locate the exact domain. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one. When you see the domain you want, click Manage beside it. That opens the detailed view for that domain. On this screen, locate and select Domain Settings. This area is where you'll find controls for ownership, contacts, name servers, and renewal preferences. While you're here, note the domain's expiration date. Adding it to your calendar can help you avoid downtime after turning off auto-renew. Within Domain Settings, look for the Auto-Renew option. You should see a toggle switch that shows whether auto-renew is currently on. Click the toggle to turn it off. GoDaddy may show a confirmation prompt explaining what this change means. Read it and confirm to proceed. In some layouts, you might see a Save or Done button. If you do, click it to finalize the change. Give the page a moment to update, and then verify that the status now shows auto-renew is off for that domain. You may also receive an email confirming the change. Keep that for your records. Some accounts display separate switches for related add-ons, like privacy or protection. Turning off the domain's auto-renew doesn't always affect those, so double-check what each switch controls before you leave. That's it. You've successfully turned off auto-renew on GoDaddy. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same setting and toggle it back on. Until then, plan to renew manually before the expiration date to avoid any interruption.